Hello, we are the Inwerken capstone team, which consists of Connor Fradenberg, Derek Boonstra, Victor Ruta, and Tanner Olson from NDSU. Our sponsors from Inwerken are Bastian Bachman and Max Reagan. Our sponsor Inwerken provides business solutions, and they were contacted by Cannageeser to create a portal of a maintenance cockpit, which when finished will run on the Cannageeser portal. This product is meant to allow employees at Cannageeser to log onto the service where they can easily complete maintenance tasks through software, which will move them away from paper documentation, which leads to faster and easier workflow. And now we will
to take you on a walkthrough of how Cannageeser might implement this technology. The first thing that our demo does is take you to a login page. On this login page there is a place where you can enter in a username and a password. Currently there is no validation, so we will just be entering anything for our username and password variables. After we do that, we can click the login button and it says that it is redirecting the user to the maintenance cockpit. On the maintenance cockpit there are two buttons here and here that can take you to the machine view and the order view. On the left is a button for the machine view, and it also displays how many machines the user has. So in this case that would be 715. On the right, the button takes you to the order view and shows you how many orders the user has, which in this case is 12. Below that it shows how many critical machines or critical orders that a user has. We'll start by going to the machine view. So we click on the machine view button and it brings us right to this. This here is a list that shows all of the machines that a user has. It shows the equipment number and the description of the machine. At the top there are two buttons, a goods recipient, which would change the location of the machines that the user is looking at, and a filter. Currently these buttons do not work, but there is a live change search bar so a user can search for their machines. So right now we will search for a machine that contains 0026 in their equipment number. As you can see, there is only one result for this, which is the workflow machine. When we click on this, it displays more information about this machine. Here you can see the description, equipment number, construction year, and how long the warranty lasts, as well as any orders that a machine might have. In this list, it shows the order description, order number, and what date the order is due on. So now that we can see how many orders a machine has, we can switch to the order view by pressing this button here and check out some of these orders more in detail. This has the same buttons at the top. Unfortunately those don't work, and another search bar. In the list it shows the order number, description, the due date, and what equipment number the order is attached to. We can see that all of these orders are attached to the equipment number, the same as what we searched for before. Now we know that clean, check, and tighten the drive belt is an order for the workflow machine, so we'll click on that and check out what information shows. At the top it shows the order number, description, equipment number, and what date the order is due on. And the rest of the page shows any maintenance steps that are needed to complete the order. Here it shows the maintenance code, what equipment number the maintenance order is connected to, and a description of the order. It also has a check mark, which doesn't do anything based on the way that the data is set up. This is what the prototype looks like for now, and Inwerken can implement anything else that they want to.
We would now like to thank Inwerken and NDSU Capstone for the opportunity to work on a real-world project. Thank you for your time.